law attorney here with some more trademark bites. I guess I'm calling it trademark bites. I'm not really sure. I'll have to think more about that. Anyway, today I have a case study for you about trademark usage, and there's a backstory behind it, of course. Yesterday I was out running in my neighborhood and I came across this sign, and I thought it would make a really good example for a trademark case study. Now, I know that I have talked about the fact that you can use a logo as a trademark, and you can use a word as a trademark, and you can use a slogan as a trademark. And I actually came across a sign that had all three things on them. So I thought, what better way to illustrate the point? So ladies and gentlemen, I give you Mosquito Joe. Let me just switch the viewer here. All right, so here is Mosquito Joe. I'm going to zoom out a little bit because I want you to be able to see all of it. Let's see if we can move this around a little bit. Oops, no, wrong way. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let me move the screen around a little bit. Maybe that'll help. Okay. All right, so you can't exactly see the phone number, but it's no big deal. Here we go. Perfect. Love. I'm going to move me around. So I'm kind of out of the way here. I'll move me here. How's that? Okay, so I'm running down the street and I see this sign. Now, for those of you who don't live in the South, mosquitoes here are a thing. We have the hugest, hungriest, well, I think they're hungrier in Alaska, but they're plenty hungry here. And so in order to enjoy your backyard during the summer months and the spring months and the fall months, basically any time but winter, you need to treat your yard to prevent the mosquitoes from completely sucking the blood out of you. So Mosquito Joe, I presume, is one of those businesses. Now, here's what I noticed when I ran by, and I actually circled back around the block and took a picture of it. This illustrates that you can use a logo and a word and a slogan as a trademark. It's all here on the same side, on the same sign, and I just love it. Now, I want to mention, because I think it's notable, and I don't know why they're doing this, probably because they're not really getting good trademark advice, but they haven't bothered to put the TM symbol or the circle R symbol on any of this, which I think is a mistake, but nonetheless, it serves as a good case study. So if you look, you see the green and yellow Mosquito Joe logo on the left, the big round circle. That is their logo. And you can use a logo as a trademark. Now, when you apply for a logo, I usually advise my clients to do it in black and white, to not claim a color. That way, if they ever want to change the colors later, it's really easy for them to do that. If you claim a color, you're going to have to use it that way for the entire time. And if you change the colors for some reason, then you're going to have to go back and file a new trademark application. If you don't claim color at all, then that is never an issue. Now, to the right of it, you've got another trademark. Outside is fun again. That is a slogan. A slogan may be something like L'Oreal's You're Worth It, or Nike's Just Do It, or FedEx's The World on Time. So it's anything that you associate with your brand. It's anything that you associate with your goods and services. In this case, we have services, right? Mosquito treatment services. And then there's the word Mosquito Joe. Now, just because the word is on a logo doesn't mean, or part of a logo, doesn't mean that the word can't serve as a trademark by itself. So if I were Mosquito Joe, I would definitely be registering a word mark for my mosquito treatment services. So that's all I have today. I can be found online at TrademarkDoctor.net. If you like my Trademark Doctor Facebook page on Facebook, business page on Facebook, you'll be notified every time I go live. And if you have trademark questions, please message me at the Trademark Doctor Facebook page and I will answer them on a future live. I will see you Sunday. I will see you Monday. Sunday, I'm off. I will see you Monday with another scintillating episode of these little trademark bite-sized videos. And until then, ciao.